Well, hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of the Hold Fast Garage. In episode 7, we saw that the beast does in fact run. The engine is very nice. But now we need to go backwards a little bit and catch you up on some things that happened between episode 6 and episode 7. Kind of a Tarantino sort of a flavor here. If you noticed, there were a couple of times where the condition of my garage looked like it changed. So when I first moved in, it looked like this. Not great. It's a garage. It does garage things. It holds vehicles and tools and such, but I felt like, you know what, if I'm gonna do this project, if I'm gonna work on this beautiful car, I need a beautiful space to work in. So I hired some guys to come do the floor and install some cabinets, and then I got to work painting. So when all that was done, I had a beautiful space to work in. Have a look. I mean, how great is this? Gorgeous floors, nice shiny epoxy. Got some storage space up on the wall over there. Hung up a TV, got some Bob Ross on there. And I got some cabinets across the way over there. Lots of storage space for large things. Lots of shelves, which I still need to, you know, kind of get a little control of. And a nice workspace over here. And I had a brand new water heater put in while I was at it as well. So I got a lot of room. You know, it looks nice. Everything's organized. So now I have no excuse. Because not only do I have a car I like working on, I have a space that I like being in. And we're gonna keep decorating, get some things put back up on the walls aside from just that TV over there. And I'm gonna spend a whole lot more time in this space. I mean, I was going to anyway, but now I'm gonna enjoy it just a little bit more. So that's all I got for you on this episode. Just wanted to catch you up on, for those of you that may have noticed, hey, why are there blue things in the background when there was not a blue thing in the background before? This is why. Now you know. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. Tell everyone you see. Spread the word, and we'll see you in the next episode.